Hi, this is Karen with WTI. This selfie light by OLPART has helped me to improve on my video content. I love that it's super practical. I can put it on the back camera. It has three different settings. It has the cool light, the warm light, and the combination of the two. I can be doing videos, I can be taking photos, and the light will not fail me. I love that I can rely on this little, small, but mighty selfie light. And whenever I'm doing my Zoom meetings, I know I can rely on this light because it's gonna bright up my face. I'm not gonna be looking dark. I can dim it up or I can dim it down. I could change the setting of the lighting. And all I need is this little block of light. So I don't need to be carrying around large pieces of lighting. I just need this little block to get the job done. And that's my point of view.